Hello and welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. I'm a Colourarte affiliate. This is my 12 by 12 stretched canvas with an almost dry layer of Meaden white paint, Meaden black paint on it, available on my Amazon link. And I have colors handy and ready to go that I'm going to use. Starting with some Hot Orchid, which is now Jasmine from Primary Elements. And I'm just going to put it everywhere. This is a new, I like to try new things a lot. So I'm going to use the shiny taffeta next. And I don't need to have it right on. The shiny taffeta and the prism pour, they're all prism pours. My paints are. Then I'm going to proceed with some violet rose, hoping to have enough of it. I think I'm going to use some cerulean blue right now. Doesn't seem to want to come out that well. It helps if I open the top fully. I like this color combination. And I have a little bit of Satin Doll, I think. Wait, I can tell you. Yes, it's Satin Doll that was left over when I mixed some. If I want anything else, I think it's going to be more Hot Orchid, which I was trying to say earlier is Jasmine in Primary Elements, which is a pigment powder. I'm sort of tempted to some blue velvet, but I think I'll wait. I am going to use an Amsterdam black with some Aussie Floetrol, and I'm going to use my spatula. I meant to put a little white on there first. Maybe I'll still do that. The white is also Amsterdam white with Aussie Floetrol. This is my PBO gold, precious gold, iridescent gold. I'm going to go right down the middle. Well, that's not really the middle, but I'm going to use my residuals. I need a scrape dish. I use these, come from Michael's in the party section. This time I'm going to go for the white first and the black next. And some more gold. I'm going to start right over here. I'm trying to make a very random looking pattern because I'm going to drag some tools through this, I believe. Let's go for the white again. And I put the black down. Oh no, I'm pouring it out of a container. I have a squeeze bottle of black also. And I'm going to keep right on using the gold because I love it. Maybe a little bit heftier version this time. So my goal is to leave some black negative space. I'm going to use the paint that I scraped off into my dish. And I think I'm going to take one of my little acetate tools, use some of my Australian Floetrol that has a little bit of orange unicorn spit in it. Give myself an opportunity to add another color or two or three. Let's try it the other way around. The gold first a unicorn spit after. And one of my trademarks, a lot of people's trademarks honestly, is the fact that I like to do spirals. And so that's what's going to happen right now. Because I have a black background, if I scrape through with the handle of my tool, it'll only show black. And any place that doesn't look quite right, can get a little more treatment. And maybe some fill-ins. Oh, I like that. So onwards. I think I'm almost done actually, although I really wouldn't mind a little more color right there. So maybe I'll just grab a little more of everything. And the colors will be underneath the video. I have to clean that tip out. And I'm going to use a little bit of that orange again. A little bit of that gold. And if I want some more down here, that's the perfect time to put it in. So, anything I can help you with, guys, with as far as questions go, please leave me a question in comments and I will get back to you as soon as I can. The little acetate tools, I will try and remember to add the video because they're homemade. And as soon as I'm happy with what I've got completely, I'll quit and call it good. But I'm going for an organic feel, which is kind of my MO. I do want to get down there and shimmer this at you as best I can to show you the beautiful Color Arte paints. And so I shall. Aren't they gorgeous? Let's have a little zoom in, shall we? I see I want one more spiral right here. Alright, thank you guys for coming. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I post on my channel at noon Eastern Standard Time, 7 days a week. I hope to see you there. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery going. There should also be a 20% off coupon code underneath the video if you'd like to make a purchase of some Color Arte products. I love you guys for inspiring the heck out of me. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Out for now. See you soon.